This video is brought to you by Squarespace. What is up guys, Brandon here. Thanks for taking out 10 minutes of your day to watch this video. It's much appreciated. Now, some of you may or may not know, a couple of months ago I managed to pimp the Nintendo Switch with this awesome Pokemon/Pikachu edition custom Joy-Cons and backplate, and this was sent over by Captain Alex. He's quite famous for being very talented in creating all of this custom shells and Joy-Cons, and I've actually teamed up with him again, and he's just launched this Pokemon Gold/Silver backplate and Joy-Cons, which is going to make the Nintendo Switch looks super awesome. So he sent that over along with a mystery product that I have no idea what it is, so we'll unbox that together as well. And I'm basically going to put it all together and we're going to see what this brand new edition Switch looks like. And he's also sent over a discount code as well, links below if any of you are interested in picking this up. So I'm too excited, let's go ahead and unbox it and see how this Switch will look. So I've opened up the package here. We have the Joy-Cons just here. We have, I'm guessing this is okay, this one's pretty big. I'm guessing this is the back plate, and then this is open bonus on camera. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Let's get the Switch out the way, and now let's see. I'm gonna put that to the side. We're gonna take a look at the Joy-Cons first. Now, he was, happy enough to send over the actual Joy-Cons, where in my last one I had to actually take the shell off and everything myself, and I was a little uncomfortable. I did it, but I was so scared that I was going to break it. Oh boy, look at these. Okay, so here is the gold version, and oh boy, this brings back some nostalgic memories. Check out that. Woo! And you can see Ho-Oh down there just embossed. That is nice. And okay, there you go. On the back you get a little Pokeball as well embossed, which is nice, and I think that says silver. So if you combine these, I'm guessing it's a gold and silver on the back. And here should be the big boy Lugia. Oh damn, dude, this is nice. Oh, look at that. Now I think originally he had these actually cut out, but the embossed version looks so much better. Just a slight touch of detail, and that looks absolutely awesome. And then on the back, don't know if you can see that, it says gold. So if you put them together, it's a little Pokeball that says gold, silver on the back. Hot damn, these are nice. So let's take a look at the back plate here. I'm excited to see the back plate. This is what really makes it stand out. Oh boy, okay, here we go. Oh shit, look at that. Wow, so you've got like this gradient effect in the middle there. An amber Ho-Oh, and a grayed out Lugia. That is gonna be nice. There should be like a little kickstand in here as well. Yep, here we go. So there you should have the bottom of his wing there. Okay, yeah, that looks sick. And what is the mystery item before we put this together to see what it actually looks like on the Switch? I have no idea, but let's jump right into it. How do I, okay, this is packaged up quite well. What the, oh, is it, oh, I think it is, I don't even know what they call this, but the controller that you attach the Joy-Cons to. Oh boy. What is on the front? Oh, it's the free starters. Oh my god. That is so cool. Let me chuck these in. I was not expecting this, dude. This is awesome. Wow. That is... Look at that. That is awesome. Alex, my man, thank you very much for sending that over. That is sick. Look at that. Yes, Cyndaquil, Chikorita, and Totodile. Let me know which one you choose out of those three starters in the comments below. Now, I'm going to change the camera up slightly, and I'm going to put on this faceplate here. So let's go. So there it is. This is what the backplate looks like fully installed. The kickstand lines up perfectly as well. It's easy peasy. I went into more detail on how to install it on my original Pikachu edition. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely check it out. But there is the backplate, which is very, very nice. It's like nothing I've ever seen before, to be honest with you. And if I pull over the Joy-Con controllers now and install these, this is where it's gonna look super fancy. So let's put that aside and let's go ahead and install this. So the first one, there is the silver looking Swish, and then here is the gold. Oh boy, look at that. That is pretty damn unique. I am digging it. Now if we flip it over, there you have it. There is the silver to gold gradient with Lugia on the left and Ho-Oh on the right. That looks incredible. Oh my god. Now Alex has just released these, so these are pretty much brand new. I think these are like the first uncovering here on the channel. So this is something special. Just love the embossed Ho-Oh and Lugia down here. That looks incredible. And the fact that he chucked in this as well is pretty cool. No doubt he probably sells these as well if you're interested in just them. But the Switch is looking pretty damn nice. And it all works fine. I dig it. So there you have it, guys. A quick look and unboxing of the Gold Silver Edition Nintendo Switch. This makes me so pumped for the new Pokemon RPG that's coming out on Switch. We don't know if it's a remake or a new gen yet, but it is going to be something special when it comes out. So as per usual, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more pimped Switches. That's the thing I do on here. And a big shout out to Alex for sending this over, man. Much appreciated. See you in the next one. If you're looking to create a website, then you should take a peek at Squarespace. Squarespace allows you to create stunning, modern-looking sites in just a few minutes. Simply use one of their unique templates and then drag and drop sections to create your own unique styled website. You can now even transfer over your old unused domains into Squarespace so that you can get started on an affordable and powerful platform. Use the link below, squarespace.com/brandonsalt, to get yourself a nice discount.